PLA is the most popular material for 3D printing. Anyone who has a 3D printer or is interested in the subject is certainly familiar with this filament. It is the most popular material. Let's find out why. PLA is a shortcut from polylactide, a polylactic acid known in the industry and chemistry. It is a polymer made from raw material of natural origin such as corn or sugar beets. In the world of 3D printing, it's simply the easiest and simplest filament to print, which shouldn't pose a challenge to the printer. Besides that, the material has very little shrinkage. If you plan to start 3D printing, you should start with PLA material. Features of PLA filament. It is by far the most environmentally friendly material. Not only it is made from renewable natural raw materials, but it's also non-toxic and non-harmful. It is biodegradable, which makes it perfectly compatible with the trend of sustainable development and conscious consumption. It is easy to print because it does not require high temperatures and prints on the simplest printers. It does not warp or deform, and the print nevertheless retains its durable form. It is even used in so-called 3D pens. You can say that it's childishly simple filament. It is easy to machine prints from this material. They can be sanded and painted. PLA also comes in countless colors and varieties. Therefore, when printing with PLA, we are limited only by our creativity. It is the cheapest and easily available material. Who is PLA filament for? Basically, PLA filament is for everyone. It is perfect for printing at home, at school, or also at the factory. It is suitable for printing various figures and small hobby parts. But it's also great for making prototypes to check the dimensions of a particular model and its fit. Thanks to the fact that it does not require an industrial printer with a closed chamber, it can be printed on almost any machine. It is ideal for large-scale printing due to its price and low shrinkage. Printing tips. MaxPLA is one of the few materials in 3D printing that does not require a heated platform. Under the right conditions, all you need is the degreased platform. If the printer is equipped with a heated platform, it is worth setting it at 40 to 60 Celsius degrees. The recommended temperature of the nozzle is in the range of 185 to 220 Celsius degrees. It is recommended to increase the temperatures for the first layer by about 5 Celsius degrees to ensure its best adhesion. MaxPLA can be printed relatively fast. Special attention should be paid to the cooling system, which should cool the material and not the nozzle. That's all for today. See you in the next episode. If you want to learn more about filaments, visit our website at maxfilament.com.